Howdy, Ruth here with Olive Grey Avenue. I'm going to be building a mirror. Well, not building it. I'm taking the mirror that came in our bathroom, adding a frame and customizing it to make it look like a custom mirror. Mirrors are expensive. We're on a budget. We don't want to spend a bunch of money on a frame. So we're gonna see if we can make one look super custom on a really tight budget. Stay tuned. So now what I'll be doing is measuring out this plywood to be the exact size of this mirror and cut it down to have a backer to hang it on. So to make the back of the mirror, what I'm gonna do is secure these little blocks by wood gluing and then using my brad nailer. So I'm gonna do 6 along the frame, and then the outside frame is this deep. So it'll make the mirror not sit as deep, but it'll have something to hold on to. Because the plywood is so thin, I'm using these blocks to have something to secure the frame to when this will eventually have the mirror on it. The middle 2 blocks are also there to not only secure to the frame, but also allow me to hang the wire that we'll use to hang the whole mirror on. For this, I just used 1/2" interior screws and some multi-purpose wire. So when measuring out the sides, I measured the length and width of each side of the mirror, and let's say like the length is 1 tick less than 30, whatever fraction that is, I don't worry about it. And then I measured the width of these because I am going to do a mitered edge, which means that I'm going to cut these at a 45-degree angle, which means that you need to account for the width of each of these. So this is 3/4 inch, and so I need that on either end. So I add another 1.5" to this. So instead of being 30, it's 31.5 minus a tick. Once you have the length and width pieces cut, you'll want to make sure the mitered edge is on both top and bottom. Then you can do a dry fit of the frame around the mirror and assemble with wood glue and brad nails. I filled the brad nail holes with wood filler, and once everything was dry, sanded it down before painting. I was actually going to paint the whole frame black, but once I started spray painting, I thought it would be really awesome to only spray paint the outside and stain the inside a really beautiful color. I used 1 coat of Early American Stain by Valspar on the inside. I used construction adhesive to attach the mirror to the front of the plywood. Once it was dry, we put the mirror in the middle of the frame and held the blocks flush with the back of the frame to give it more of an inset look from the front, and connected everything with brad nails. The final thing left to do is to hang our new mirror. Backer to hang it on. Why would I be doing that? Nobody else